Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial we are going to learn how to do a faux loc or the butterfly loc using an extension. Okay guys, so looking at this very style, I'm going to twist the hair around the bending rod. Okay, because of the type of curl I want to use for the butterfly locks, I'm going to turn the hair or twist the hair around the bending rod. Okay, so this is very detailed and I hope you learn something from it. Okay guys, so I'm just going to pour hot water on this, and after that I'm going to dry it. Alright. Okay, so guys, after this I'm going to take a piece of the hair, of the braiding hair on a thread. Okay, thus you can use a chair. I use a chair for this, and then I just thread a couple of the thread to make it thick. Yes. Alright, so with this I'm just going to unravel the hair, the curled hair. I'm going to unravel it and I'm going to wrap it around the braiding hair on the thread. Alright, so guys, this is very simple and I know you can do it. Just continue watching this tutorial. If you are new on this channel, you are welcome, and don't forget to hit on that subscribe button below, and don't forget to also turn on your post notification on to all, and don't forget to share this video as well. For those of you who are already here with us, you are also welcome. Continue sharing our videos, and hey, I love you so much. Okay guys, so this is the butterfly locks and this is how it looks like. I'm trying my best to make this very clear and very easy for you guys. Okay, so when you use this method, it's going to save you a lot, because the spring twist is a bit costly. You can just get your braiding hair and just curl it the way I've just shown in this tutorial, and just wrap it around your crochet or your Okay guys, so this is the butterfly locks. You just unravel the curled hair to make it fluffy, and then all that you do is to wrap it around the piece of hair you've added to the thread, and you just wrap it around it. I just use the thumb method to create the loop, and I made it very, very simple. If you don't understand this by watching this video, I also have another video on how to get your distress loss, and I believe that even though this tutorial is also very detailed, if you don't understand it, you can also check out that other tutorial, which is the butterfly locks tutorial on my channel. And let me know your thoughts about this video, your comments and everything. I just want to know what you think about this video. All right, thank you so much. Keep watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. Okay guys, so you can see from this video that this butterfly locks is coming pretty very well. It's looking very nice and just like the way you would want it to be. And you can just use a kinky for this as well, but with a kinky you can't curl it, so braiding hair is always the option. And yes, the curls just came out so well, as you can see from this video. I just like how it turned out to be. This looks very pretty. They are very beautiful. And hey, if you are new on this channel, don't forget to hit on that subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video to friends, family, and your loved ones. And don't forget to comment below. See you in my next tutorial.